October 28th, 2023 at 23,000 Midway Boulevard in Port Charlotte.
Like I said, when you passed me, I saw you, and I didn't see a seatbelt on you. And you have a white shirt that's dark, and it was clear. You're not wearing a seatbelt. Okay? May I see your license and registration, please?
A license?
Yes.
Like for a driver's license?
Yes.
Oh, well, I'm not commercially operating, or I'm not operating in a commercial capacity.
Said he was traveling, not driving, while sitting in the driver's seat.
You drive it on the road.
Oh, yes, but drivers have to be commercially licensed if you're driving. That means
You are driving.
Well, that means you're operating in a commercial capacity.
No, you're driving a vehicle, sir.
Like there's driving and then there's traveling.
That's driving a vehicle. May I see your driver's license?
Well, I'm not operating in a commercial capacity. See what I mean? Like
No,
traveling
sir.
is not driving.
Sir, we're not going to do this. Are you?
We're not going to do this.
Yes. Do you have a driver's license?
What do you mean we're not going to do this?
I'm asking you to see your driver's license.
Well, I'm not operating in a commercial capacity.
You operating a vehicle, and to drive a vehicle, you are required to have a driver's
a vehicle.
Oh, what is this?
This is an automobile.
White 10 K9?
Are you escalating?
No, I'm trying. All I'm asking is for your driver's license.
Yes. Well, what I'm saying is my license has been lost.
White.
I've lost it, the physical copy.
Okay, so can I have your name so I can look it up?
Sure. I mean, have I broken a law?
You are driving with without a seatbelt, sir.
But I mean, is that?
Yes, that is a law. You have, when you're operating a vehicle, you're supposed to have.
Can you be in route 2?
You're supposed to have a seatbelt on. You're supposed to drive belted.
I mean, I'm not aware that I'm driving. I'm sorry. I'm not aware that I'm driving.
Okay, so can I have your name?
Well, I mean, in order to identify me, you gotta suspect that I've committed a crime.
Sir, you are driving
Yes,
with no
you're gonna-
seatbelt on. I pulled you over,
Unless you're gonna escalate
and I'm
it.
no, I'm not escalating anything. You are the one. This would have been over already.
I see. Well, I gotta make sure that
This would have been
We're clear,
over already.
you know.
You are driving a vehicle, and you are required to have a driver's license to drive a vehicle. This is a vehicle. You're driving it. You say you don't have a license. May I see? Can I have your name so I
Well-
can run your name to see if you have a valid driver's license?
Well, but before you run my name, see.
I already explained to you. I'm not going to explain it
You
no
have to
more.
suspect that I've committed a
You
crime.
were driving without a seatbelt. Even when I approached the car, you didn't have a seatbelt on. Okay?
Well, can you prove that I wasn't wearing a
Yes, I
seatbelt?
saw it.
Can you prove that though?
I
to me?
saw it.
Can
You have
show me?
you have a white
Because
shirt.
I had my seatbelt on.
You have a white shirt. The seatbelt is great. And when you passed right in front of me, I saw it and you didn't have it. And you're driving very straight, so it's not like you're leaning back and your seatbelt is low. Okay, so I saw it.
How did you know?
I was facing you when you passed me. So
I was aware that I had my seatbelt on.
you didn't
I
have it.
Central 325, drive reference 2A.
This would have been
Female
over
being
already.
aggressive with
So I'm
staff.
asking you, may I have your name so we could finish this? And I could go on my way and you could go on your way. Okay? So do you have a driver's license?
I'm telling you, I lost it all.
Okay, you don't have a registration either
What do you mean?
for the vehicle.
Like bill of sale and
No, a registration for your vehicle being registered.
this has just been purchased. I got the bill of sale and everything.
Okay, let me see it.
Well, before I show you this, I mean, you have to prove to me if I ask, to give me a reasonable, articulable suspicion that I committed a crime.
I already told you that you have.
Yeah, but you have to show me. Look, here's
No,
proof
no, no,
that you
no.
weren't wearing a seatbelt.
I saw you. That's good enough.
Huh.
I saw a violation. I saw an infraction.
I'm asking
Just
you.
advising that the agent
You-
approves this on that.
You could take it to court if you want. You could take it to court and we could prove it over there. I know what I saw, and I saw you wear white shirt. It's a dark gray.
Yeah, but you have to prove it to me.
I don't have to
show
prove it.
to me.
I saw it.
You can't just tell me that. Hey, I think that you were doing.
I
this,
didn't say I
therefore
think. I
were
saw
doing
you.
it.
I said I
'Cause
saw
it's
you.
a habit for me to always put my seatbelt on.
Sir, when you passed me, you didn't have it, and right now you're being. This would have
What
been
am I
over
being?
already.
I'm being,
This would have been an over.
I'm being calm and collected.
I understand that,
You know.
and I am too. But
Just,
right now,
very
you're not.
serious about my rights.
Yeah, I am too about enforcing the law,
Well, see that you're enforcing legal codes.
sir.
Laws are different.
Sir, it's an infraction to drive in Florida.
Yeah,
You
if
need
you're
a driver's
driver.
license.
But if you're traveling, that means you're not operating in any commercial
Sir, we're
capacity
not
at all.
going to do this.
Do what? The law?
Go back and forth. I ask you for you. Do you have a driver's license?
I'm telling you, I lost it.
Okay. What
I'm
is
in
your
the
name?
process of getting
So what is your name? So I could run it. I could figure out what if you have a valid driver's license. If I know your name?
It's the bill of sale. And this is the title. Blue title.
Okay. Can I see that?
Sure.
Thank you. See, this is not difficult, sir.
It's mine. I bought it. Uh-oh. Another. Let me guess. Another 5 officers are going to show up.
It depends. Can I see the VIN of the vehicle? It's covered right now.
Oh, well, I guess they had it covered. It's on the title.
Yeah, but I want to make sure it's this one. It's covered right now.
Oh, I see. How to get that out of there?
What's that?
I don't know how to get that out.
Okay. So you are Jason Strauss? And what's the date of birth, Jason?
Date of birth?
Yes. Okay. And your license is from what state?
My license, it's a Florida license.
It's a Florida license? Okay, when I run it, I want to make sure that that's what I'm looking for. Okay.
I lost all my physical copies, all my hard copies.
You lost everything?
Everything.
And I get it. But I have a way to double check that. And that's why I was asking for your name.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, you just purchased this vehicle.
Just purchased it.
Okay. Do you reside here in Port Charlotte? Or you just was passing by?
Just passing by.
Okay. So no, because I see the vehicle is from another county, so
Yes.
okay. I'll be right back.
Anybody, passenger vehicles have to wear a seatbelt.
Yeah, but that's for drivers. That's for commercial operators.
Are you not a driver?
No.
What are you?
I'm a traveler.
Oh, okay. Are you traveling on the roadways?
The roadways? Like the paved streets?
Yep.
Yeah, but not everyone on the paved streets is a driver.
You're the sole occupant of the vehicle?
It's not
Is
a
it-
vehicle.
What is it?
It's an automobile.
Okay.
All right, Jason. If that is your name, Jason Strauss, no middle name, and your date of birth, nothing's coming back with your as you having a driver's license.
Have you ever had one
A license? Yeah.
in the state of Florida?
Yeah.
But I just checked
Under
it.
that name that you gave him?
That you see on the title, as you can see on the bill of sale.
Yes, and that's why I'm asking you if that's the correct spelling and everything,
Yes.
because nothing comes back of you having a driver's license.
Yeah, that's the name I go by.
Okay, so
What's your legal name?
What do you mean legal?
Well, you said that was the name you go by.
Well, when people say this is my name, it's claiming this is who I am, a name.
okay,
Yeah. And I know that you guys are trained to, hate sovereign citizens and all that. But
I'm
I'm
not-
someone who exercises my rights. So when I say I'm, Jason, that doesn't mean that Jason is who I am. If that makes sense. A name is not who I am.
are you Jason Strauss? Because there's nothing coming back with that name.
What's the name on your driver's license?
Yeah, I'm in the process of surrendering my license
I get
to
that.
the state. Surrendering.
I get it,
Meaning
but-
that I don't want it no more. You can have it.
Okay, but right now you are driving and you need a license, so I'm trying to help you out
I'm
here.
not driving. I'm not. And I'm making that clear to you. I'm not driving. I'm
Sir,
not.
you
This is
just-
not a vehicle. I'm not operating this thing in any commercial capacity at all. I do own it. It is mine. I gave you the title and the bill of sale.
Do you have another form of ID, sir, so I can know who you
I
are?
lost everything. I lost it all. And I'm in the process of suing for damages too.
Okay, I'm trying to
I
help
have
you
a
out here,
discovery motion in motion, and I have a lawsuit motion in place.
and that's okay. It has nothing to do with the stop.
I know.
You're
but I'm just telling
driving,
you.
and that's fine. That's your business, not my business. My
No,
business
I'm
is
just
this:
telling
you were driving,
I'm
no
not driving.
seatbelt.
I'm not.
You were
I'm not
driving.
operating. Officer Morales,
You were driving, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
And your name and badge number?
Deputy Morales, 2461.
I'm not operating in any commercial capacity.
It doesn't matter. You're driving in the
Doesn't
state of
matter.
Florida.
I'm
You're
not
driving in the state of Florida
I'm
on a
traveling.
public road.
This has just been purchased
But you still need a driver's license.
And I'm passing through.
Okay.
How much more straight can I be? I'm just passing through. I'm not driving.
So the name you gave
He
him
is
was
bestowing upon me that I am strictly driving, even though I'm telling him I am not.
the name on your Florida driver's license is the name you gave him.
Officer, when was the last internal investigation that has been done on you?
Haven't had one.
You never had one. Do you know if he's had one?
I do not know.
Who's back there, by the way? Anybody
again?
back there?
My pup?
That's it? Is there a person?
Are you escalating things?
No, I'm asking.
Further?
I want to know if someone's back there. I don't know if someone's back there.
Do you suspect?
I don't suspect, but I heard you talking to somebody.
Do you suspect them of committing a crime?
I'm
my,
just
my
asking.
lady. My
Okay.
lady.
All right. Jason, this is what's going to happen. Okay. I'm giving you every opportunity to identify yourself. Okay. I'm giving you an opportunity to provide me with your name, driver's license, and you are refusing to do that. If you're driving with no license,
I'm not driving. I'm not.
You are driving, sir.
I'm not. I'm traveling. That means
No.
that I'm not operating in any
Sir,
commercial capacity.
I don't want to take you to jail, but that's the way we're going to go if you are refusing to identify
I've
yourself.
cooperated with you. You're supposed to de-escalate.
I am de-escalating,
I gave you the
and it's
bill of
not
sale.
coming back to anything.
I gave you the bill of sale.
But-
I gave you the title,
It
what you
doesn't-
wanted.
And I asking you for your name and trying to identify you. Say you have a driver's license, it doesn't come back with any record.
You said that you're pulling me over for not wearing a seatbelt.
Correct.
And then you escalated to, well, I need to make sure this is yours.
No, I asked you for your driver's
You escalated
license.
that from me being pulled over for
Sir.
you suspecting me not wearing.
Sir.
To if this is a stolen or if this
No,
is, this belongs to me.
if I'm going to write a ticket, if I'm going to write something, I need those paperwork with me. Okay, that's why I ask you for the paperwork. And if you you're producing a license, I write a ticket and let you go on your way. You're not allowing me to do that right now.
I don't have it.
You don't.
I do not
you
have
don't.
any
But
copies.
but
I don't have it.
but there's a way to double check.
I don't have the license.
Okay,
Physical
so
copy.
so I'm going to ask you to step out of the vehicle.
Is that a lawful order?
Yes, it is.
I mean, well, for what reason?
Because right now you don't have a license. You were driving. You're refusing to.
I'm not driving. I'm not.
At this
Driving
moment,
means that you're a commercial operator.
we're not going to do this, sir.
That means you're
So can
operating
you step out of the
commercially.
vehicle? Because then you're gonna escalate this to obstruction charge. So right now, can you please stay out
We're
of
on
the vehicle?
private property.
No, you pulled in here
You told me to.
because we were blocking the
I'm
driveway.
not going to be in the middle of the road.
Sir, can you step out of the vehicle? So I'm asking you, is the name you're giving me the right name, or am I missing something, or is misspelled, your date of birth or something that is not matching? That's what I'm asking you, and you are not telling me anything.
I feel threatened and I feel coerced.
No, sir. Nothing of that is happening. I ask you to come out. I'm asking you to identify yourself for the 20
Yes.
times. I'm being very patient with you.
When you say identify, like you want me to identify the...
Forget about the car right now. Right now it has to do about you having a driver's license and me knowing who I'm talking to. So I don't even know if that's your real name.
I'm not
And we're not
going
going to do this all night.
I'm not from Florida.
Okay. So I asked you what state was your license from, and you said from Florida.
Yeah, but I'm not from Florida.
So where is your license from?
My driver's license?
Yes.
It's a Texas license.
So why didn't you say that from the beginning?
Well, because I'm in the process of getting a
Okay,
Florida's
but I
license.
asked you what? No, you say you're in the process of surrendering you. That's what you said.
A Texas license.
Okay, do you have a middle name, sir? So I could, when they run it out of Texas, it has to
No.
be exact. And is that the date of birth you
Yeah.
gave me? Out of Texas.
Yes.
White 10 Central. Can you run that driver's license out of Texas, that name?
I'm not driving. There is a such thing as traveling.
Like in the
There's traveling, there's driving.
We're not going to argue this, sir. You
Traveling
call
means-
it whatever you want.
No. That's I have motions to prove this. Traveling means
It's
that you're
fine.
not operating in any commercial capacity.
Can you run the name again? Jason Brown.
Driving means
of
that you're a
Texas.
commercial operator. Traveling means that you're not operating commercially at all.
You have a middle initial? Last time I'm going to ask, sir. And if you have a middle initial, and is that your date of birth?
That is my date of birth, yes.
You have a middle initial.
Like on my driver's license,
Do you have a middle initial and your name?
I don't go by any middle initial.
Sandra, that's negative. All right, come step out of the car.
copy.
Why?
Step out of the car, sir. We're not going to play. This is over then. Okay.
Are you
Step out
arresting
of,
me?
Yes. You coming out.
You're arresting me?
300,
Sir,
335, copy.
let's go.
Why?
Let's go out of the car and before listen to me.
Why are you doing
Before
this?
I say this again, you
Officer
about this
Morales.
you about this close to go to make this an obstruction charge as well.
So
come outside and show me that you're cooperating. So come outside.
You're gonna kidnap me if I get out.
No, sir, come outside. We're not gonna play this game. Come on, come outside, Jason.
Okay, one moment. You're gonna kidnap me if I get out. You can't do that.
I could do that, sir. I don't know what you're gonna do. I don't know if you're gonna lock yourself in there. So let's go. Come on.
You can't do that.
Sir, are we gonna have to force you out of there? Because then you will get an obstruction charge for sure.
I'll get the key holder.
Oh man, this is wrong. This is wrong.
Why, Central have one in custody?
I have to have committed a crime.
See who's in the car.
Trunk open?
No, you do not have the right to open. That's an illegal search and seizure. I don't give you the right to
Ma'am.
do that. I love her.
She's gonna jump, please.
Okay. You just step out of the vehicle. Do you have a valid driver's license, ma'am? Okay. Do you have it?
Hey, yeah, I just wanted to see if somebody was inside.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter, sir. Get up a second.
Are you Cuban?
Get up a second, sir. It doesn't matter where I'm from.
Cubans are more honorable than this.
You have anything on you?
I do not.
Because you're going to go to a scanner. Have a seat.
What if I? Now there's a third officer here.
Well, they know. Go ahead. Get in.
What have I done?
Get in, sir.
Oh my! And broad, that's my livelihood. That's my lover. I love her.
Okay. We'll let her know where you are. Go ahead. Get in.
And you're kidnapping me?
I'm not kidnapping you, sir. Sit this way.
What is the charge? What is the charge? What are you charging me with? What is the charge?
I already told you.
What's the charge? I do not know. I am not clear.
Operating a vehicle without a driver's license. That's one. That vehicle is not registered. It's coming back.
I'm in the process.
Okay. Well, that tag.
I'm in the process.
That tag comes back to a rental. It doesn't come back to that vehicle. Okay.
I'm telling you, I just gave you the bill of sale and the title to prove to you.
And that tag doesn't come back to that. And
purchased.
now we're going to verify what that tag is now that she's out of the car. And,
ones
and
that-
we can check the VIN.
She is a witness. The
Let
ones
me-
that own that van had that on there.
Okay. What's your legs, please? See if she will give her name. Oh, first let me take a picture of how it is.
Yeah.
Ma'am, do you have ID on you?
Smell. Yeah, I smell it. Yeah.
Do you have ID?
First invitation, buddy.
No? Do you have a name you go by?
I don't know what's questions.
Whose car is this?
She doesn't answer questions.
Oh, she doesn't answer questions?
No.
5307.
He said that's how he bought it.
Nobody told you to close the door.
I did not take
He said that's how he bought it.
Excuse me?
I did not take orders.
She just locked it. Obstruction. Outstanding. Here you go.
You want to go to jail?
Please God, step towards me, she will bite you.
If you don't want your dog to bite me, you
I
my animal
don't want
control.
her to bite you, but if you step towards
Give us the
me,
key. The car is going to get towed. Give us the key, and you can still walk free with your dog because it has nothing to do with you.
You want to get arrested for
Do you understand?
those
But now
are
you're doing
private
it's
belongings.
okay. All right.
Wait, man.
Give us the key so we can finish this investigation. Right now you're obstructing. You could go to jail for that.
Thank you. Ma'am, do you have a phone number?
Why do you ask?
So a tow company can contact you about your vehicle.
I'm not understanding what you mean.
So the tow company's coming to pick the vehicle up and take it to their impound lot.
Uh-huh.
I need a phone number so they can contact you.
I just need a moment.
So no phone number?
I have one, but I just need a moment to gather myself because you guys just put me on the streets like,
Do you have a current address?
no.
Okay.
And I have this baby to look after, and you just took the man who takes care of us. And we have, this is, all my belongings in there is what I have.
Okay. So you don't have a phone number you want to provide?
God, y'all are such oh, sorry, I just put you homeless and hungry on the street. You have a number.
Are you going to provide the phone number?
So, what all is going to be required to get this back?
You'll have to contact the tow company.
Okay, so will I be able to get my belongings out of here?
I don't know. Do you have a phone number?
Yeah.
What would that be?
Let me get it for you.
Me and that girl, we've had very hard upbringings. Very hard.
And
Very hard.
and you know, Jason, what it is when you have a hard life, you try to do things that it's not going to make it harder. Do you agree with that?
Yeah. I mean,
Okay, so
that is relative.
okay, so
It's relative, you know.
so you should focus some energy into in doing what you need to do to make sure that you don't end up in a situation.
Yeah, but Officer Morales, I have run into guys in uniform, and you know what they do? They, like you say, any cooperation will be used against you. Against you. That poor baby. I don't know what's gonna happen to her. Where is she gonna go? How am I even gonna know how she's doing?
I gave her a card so she could call and get the jail information and find out what your situation is, when you're gonna get out, if you need a bond, and all that. So she has that information.
Yeah. Thank you.
I don't know you, officer, but I'm sure you're a good man.
Anthony Tatum walked away with charges for resisting an officer without violence, driving an unregistered vehicle, and attaching a tag not assigned. He came in with a fake name and left with a real case file.